First day at gym.
Wow, this place is huge.
Hey, first time here?
Oh, yeah, actually. Is it that obvious?
Just a little. Don't worry. Everyone feels that way on their first day.
Really? Because I feel like super lost.
Totally normal. I'm Rachel, by the way.
I am Kevin. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So, what brings you to the gym?
Well, I want to get healthier, maybe lose some weight.
That's a great goal. How long have you been thinking about it?
Honestly, for like a year, but I finally joined yesterday.
Good for you. That's the hardest part, just starting.
Yeah, but now I'm here and I don't really know what to do.
That's okay. Do you want some help?
Really? You don't mind?
Not at all. I remember my first day. I was so confused.
That makes me feel better.
Come on, I'll show you around. So, did you get a locker yet?
I didn't know I needed one.
Oh, it's optional, but it's nice for storing your stuff while you work out.
Where do I get one?
The front desk. They're like $5 a month, I think.
That's not bad.
Yeah, and you don't have to carry your bag around everywhere.
Good point.
Also, make sure you bring a water bottle.
I have one in my bag.
Perfect. Staying hydrated is super important.
How much water should I drink?
Well, it depends on how hard you're working, but I'd say sip throughout your workout.
Okay, got it.
And there are water fountains all over the gym.
Good to know.
All right, let's start with cardio. Have you used a treadmill before?
Yeah, a few times, but I'm not very good at it.
What do you mean?
I don't know. I always feel like I'm going to fall off.
That happens to everyone at first.
Really?
Yeah, the key is to start slow,
How slow?
like walking speed, maybe 3 miles per hour.
That seems really slow.
It's fine. You can always speed up later. The point is to warm up your body.
Okay, I can do that.
And don't hold on to the rails the whole time.
Why not?
Because it messes with your posture and you burn fewer calories.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, try to walk naturally, like you would outside.
Got it. What about other cardio machines?
I've never used them. Okay, so we have treadmills, ellipticals, stationary bikes, rowing machines.
What's an elliptical?
It's that machine over there. It's low impact, so it's easier on your knees.
Is it hard to use?
Not at all. You just step on and move your legs in a gliding motion.
Can you show me?
Sure. Come on. All right. Let's look at the weight machines.
I'm kind of intimidated by those.
Don't be. They're actually safer than free weights for beginners.
Really?
Yeah, because, the machine guides your movement. Less chance of injury.
That's good.
So these machines work different muscle groups.
Like what?
Well, This one is for chest, this one is for back, this one is for legs.
There are so many.
I know, it's overwhelming, but you don't have to use them all.
Which ones should I start with?
I'd recommend focusing on the major muscle groups:
Like what?
legs, chest, back, shoulders.
Okay.
Yeah, it's great for building leg strength. So, what are your fitness goals, like specifically?
Lose weight, I guess.
Okay, but how much? And by when?
I don't know. Maybe 20 pounds?
That's a good goal. What's your timeline?
Is 3 months realistic?
That's pretty aggressive, like 6-7 pounds a month.
Is that too much?
Well, healthy weight loss is like 1 to 2 pounds per week.
So 4 to 8 pounds a month?
Exactly. So 20 pounds in 3 to 5 months would be more realistic.
Okay, that makes sense.
And honestly, don't focus too much on the number.
What do you mean?
Focus on how you feel. Are you getting stronger? Do you have more energy?
Well, I never thought about it that way.
Yeah, the scale doesn't tell the whole story, you know?
That's true.
You might gain muscle and lose fat at the same time.
So the number might not change?
Exactly, but you'll look and feel better.
What about diet? Do I need to change what I eat?
Well, exercise is important, but nutrition is like 70% of weight loss.
Really? That much?
Yeah, you can't out-exercise a bad diet.
So what should I eat?
I'm not a nutritionist, but the basics are pretty simple.
Like what?
More protein, more vegetables, less processed food.
That sounds hard.
It's actually easier than you think. You don't have to be perfect.
No?
No, just make small changes.
Like what?
Like drink more water, eat smaller portions, have a salad with lunch.
I can do that.
Exactly. Small changes add up.
What about protein? How much do I need?
I think it's like 0.8 grams per pound of body weight.
That sounds like a lot.
It's not too bad. Chicken, fish, eggs, beans, lots of options.
Okay.
And honestly, don't stress too much about it. Just try to make better choices.
Oh, I should tell you about gym etiquette.
Gym etiquette?
Yeah, like the unwritten rules.
Oh, okay. What are they?
First, always wipe down the equipment after you use it.
With what?
Those spray bottles and towels over there.
Oh, got it.
Second, don't hog the machines.
Hog them?
Yeah, like sitting on a machine for 20 minutes on your phone.
I won't do that.
Good. If someone's waiting, let them work in.
Work in?
Yeah, like take turns. You do a set, they do a set.
Oh, that's nice.
Third, re-rack your weights.
Re-rack?
Put them back where they belong when you're done.
People don't do that?
Some people don't. It's super annoying.
I'll make sure to do it.
And, don't grunt super loud.
Grunt?
Yeah, like some people make really loud noises when lifting.
Oh, I've seen that in movies.
Yeah, it's kind of obnoxious.
Don't worry, I won't. So, should I come every day?
No, definitely not.
Why not?
Your body needs rest to recover.
Oh, I see.
I'd say 3 to 4 times a week is good for beginners.
What days?
Monday, Wednesday, Friday works well, or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday.
So, every other day?
Exactly. Gives your muscles time to recover.
What should I do on those days?
Mix cardio and strength training.
Like, both in the same day?
Yeah, start with 15 minutes of cardio, then do some weight machines.
How long should I spend here?
For beginners, maybe 45 minutes to an hour.
That's not too bad.
No, it's totally manageable.
Should I stretch?
Yes, definitely stretch after your workout.
Not before?
Well, you can do light stretching before, but deep stretching is better after.
Why?
Because your muscles are warm and more flexible.
Makes sense.
How do I, stay motivated?
That's a great question.
Because I'm worried I'll stop coming after a few weeks.
Yeah, that happens to a lot of people.
So, how do I avoid it?
Well, first, set small goals.
Small goals?
Yeah, like, I'll come to the gym 3 times this week.
Instead of, I'll lose 20 pounds?
Exactly. Small goals are easier to achieve.
That makes sense.
And track your progress.
How?
Keep a workout journal. Write down what you did each day.
Like, which machines I used?
Yeah, and how much weight, how many reps, how you felt.
That's a good idea.
And, find a workout buddy.
A workout buddy?
Yeah, someone to come with you. Makes it more fun.
I don't really know anyone here.
Well, you know me now.
Really?
Yeah, I'm here most mornings. We can work out together sometimes.
That would be amazing. Thank you.
Of course. I remember how hard it was when I started.
Thank you so much for all your help, Rachel.
You're so welcome. I'm happy I could help.
I feel way less intimidated now.
Good. That's the goal.
I think I can actually do this.
You definitely can. Just remember, everyone starts somewhere.
Even you?
Especially me. I was so out of shape when I started.
Really?
Yeah, I couldn't even run for 5 minutes.
And now?
Now, I run 5K races.
Wow, that's inspiring.
If I can do it, you can do it.
I hope so.
Just be consistent. That's the key.
Consistent. Got it.
And don't give up after a bad day.
A bad day?
Yeah, like some days you'll feel tired or not want to come. That's normal.
What should I do then?
Come anyway, even if you just do 20 minutes.
Really?
Yeah, something is better than nothing.
That's good advice.
Are you going to finish your workout?
Yeah, I think I'll do some more cardio.
Perfect. I'll be over there if you need anything.
Thanks again, Rachel.
Anytime. Welcome to the gym family.
I'm glad I came today.
Me too. See you soon.
See you. Bye.